Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking oils and uncovering the top 10 oils that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is extra virgin olive oil. This oil is packed with antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats that can help reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic diseases. Plus, it's great for your heart. Next up, we have avocado oil. This oil is rich in oleic acid, which is great for reducing cholesterol levels and improving heart health. It also has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking at high temperatures. Third, coconut oil. While it's high in saturated fats, these fats are medium-chain triglycerides that can boost your metabolism and support weight loss. Just be sure to use it in moderation. Fourth on our list is flaxseed oil. This oil is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. However, it's best used in dressings or smoothies as it doesn't handle heat well. Next, we have walnut oil. Another oil rich in omega-3s, it's also packed with antioxidants. It's perfect for drizzling over salads or adding to baked goods for a nutty flavor boost. Number 6, sesame oil. This oil is not only full of healthy fats but also contains sesamin and sesamol, two compounds that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, ideal for stir-frying and Asian dishes. 7th, pumpkin seed oil. This dark green oil is loaded with antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It's known to support prostate health and lower bad cholesterol levels. Use it for dressings and drizzling. 8th on the list is hemp seed oil. This oil is an excellent source of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in a perfect ratio for heart health. Make sure to use it cold, in dressings or smoothies, to retain its nutritional value. 9th, grapeseed oil. With a high smoke point and a mild flavor, it's great for sautéing and baking. It also contains vitamin E and antioxidants that support skin health. And finally, we have macadamia nut oil. This oil is high in monounsaturated fats and has a buttery flavor that's perfect for salad dressings and light sautéing. It also has a high smoke point, making it versatile for various cooking methods. There you have it. The top 10 cooking oils that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Remember, variety is key, so try to incorporate different oils into your cooking to reap their unique benefits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite cooking oil, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Catch you next time.